In the last video, we talked about what the misinformation vulnerability is all about. Now let's discuss how to reduce this particular risk for large language models. First, connect your large language model to trusted and verified sources using retrieval augmented generation or RAG, which we covered earlier in the course. This means that the LLM does not just rely on what it learned during training. Instead, it also pulls real-time information from reliable databases or documents to provide accurate answers, helping reduce hallucinations and misinformation. For example, a healthcare chatbot connected to verified medical databases will give safer advice than one relying solely on the internet text. Second, build in human review and fact-checking in your process. LLMs can speed things up, but when the output affects real people, like in healthcare, legal, HR, or financial settings, a trained human should always review the results. Think of it like a doctor reviewing lab results before diagnosing the patient, ensuring the large language model's suggestions are safe and correct. Third, follow secure coding practices. If the LLMs help generate code, that code meets the same rigorous testing and review as anything written by a developer. Bugs or insecure code can lead to serious vulnerabilities or system failures. For example, imagine large language model suggests a security setting that accidentally opens a backdoor into your environment. If that was not reviewed, that could be disastrous for your environment. Fourth, educate your users. It's important that people know that large language models can make mistakes. Just because the AI sounds confident doesn't mean it is always right. We all need to think critically and double-check important answers, and especially in high-stakes areas or critical areas, like trusting a GPS but always glancing at the map yourself, users should verify AI outputs. Misinformation isn't just a technical problem, it's a human problem. The best solutions come from combining smart tools, thoughtful design, and good judgment all together. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about getting answers, but about getting them right. You're almost done with this course. Next, we are going to be exploring the last top 10 vulnerability of OWASP top 10 for large language models, which is unbounded consumption. So see you in the next video.